Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green mirchi, easy method. Start seeds indoors in peat pots 8 weeks before transplanting, keep soil evenly moist, and provide consistent warmth. Use a seedling heat mat if your room drops below 20 degrees C and keep humidity moderate. Thin to the strongest seedlings and harden them off gradually by increasing outdoor time over 7 to 10 days before planting into the garden. Prepare soil that drains well and is rich with organic matter to grow healthy green mirchi. Work in compost and a balanced granular fertilizer before planting, and mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Monitor pH and adjust with lime or sulfur if needed, and use periodic liquid feeds when flowers form. Avoid over-fertilizing with nitrogen, which favors leaves over pepper production for best harvest results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy gardening tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, a tiny time saver for busy gardeners who hate sweeping soil dust. It even hears you while you tend plants. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Transplant seedlings after hardening off when night temperatures are reliably warm and plants have several true leaves. Space plants to allow airflow and use cages or stakes to keep branches upright under heavy pepper loads. Water deeply at the root zone and avoid wetting foliage to reduce disease risk, and inspect plants weekly for pests and early fungal issues so you can act quickly with organic controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.